How to sync projects across devices in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure in other devices as well, you have the same account. Only if you log in with the same account, you'll be able to sync. Now, after you're in this page, click on Project Sync at the top. Here, click on Turn On at the bottom. After you click on Turn On at the bottom, Project Sync will turn on and you will find all the projects you made in here in your other devices with the same account. And this is how to sync projects across devices in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.